everybody, my name is Lily and I welcome you from the field here in Troyan, Bulgaria, where we're having training with the kids. I'm Activities Coordinator in Stefan Neukov Foundation, which is the local partner of Intercampus. We have a few places that we are having the project. One is here in Troyan and others are in Saparaeva Banja, Banja, Vrabevo and Novo Selo. These are small towns or villages where the local community does not have a lot of opportunities, so this is a huge thing for the kids there.
Те се чувстват щастливи, когато са част от този проект, да работят с нас, да работят с вас, да имат докосване, да бъдат те щастливи и да имат докосване с футбола.
И голямо удоволствие им доставя присъствието на италианската група и съответно екипировката, която получават от тях.